As of this month, the Bloomberg Consensus Forecast survey placed the odds of a US recession within the next 12 months at a whopping 60%. As bad as it is, there are still buyers and sellers who need to buy and sell. After working with thousands of agents from across the country, we have been able to isolate the 5 most lucrative, never-fail strategies that have made their business not only market-proof, but on enviable growth curves. While most agents are slashing costs across the board, afraid of what's ahead, these agents are lavishly padding their retirement funds. Now we know from real experience how to survive and even thrive in a real estate recession. No other real estate brokerage has been through so many markets, up, down, and sideways. Not only have we survived and thrived during the upheaval, but so have the thousands of agents we have guided for over the last 10, 15, and even 20 years. Click Learn More now and book your free breakthrough consultation. And let's talk about how you can start crushing it in this market and what is yet to come.